Alam mo, nagpapawisan, sobra na.
Memorize mo na yan, memorize na. Ako memorize kita bawat lunal mo. Bawat lunal mo. Ayan. Bawat kuko mo, pati intro mo, tsaka split ends.
Ano yung pinaka-paborito mong nunal sa katawan ko?
Secret. Gusto ko legs mo, tsaka paa mo.
Saan?
Kamay. Hindi nunal. Body parts.
Saan?
Shoulders. Tsaka siya, huwag na tayo lumayo. Face mo na lang.
Head and shoulders, knees and toes.
Knees and toes.
Okay, mga kaibigan.
Panoorin natin to. Hindi ko alam na gawin mo.
Panoorin mo natin ito talaga. Gusto ko rin marinig siyang kumakanta.
Hindi pa tayo, manood tayo. Manood po kayo, hindi ka mag-discussion.
Panoorin natin, sabay-sabay tayo manood.
Yun ang first kiss namin talaga.
It wasn't the day I said yes to him. It was a few weeks after.
Sa totoo lang, I don't remember kung ano yung gift specifically na binigay ko sa kanya. Pero during those days, marami akong binibigay ng mga gifts sa kanya. And sometimes, and most of the time, mga maliliit na gifts. May kasamang notes yun. So may notes siya, yung how do you feel, fine ka na ba, and so on and so forth. Tapos meron kasamang maliit na regalo yun. Sabi nga nila, di ba, big surprises come.
Ay ko, kanina. Naalala mo na. I love you.
I love you!
Yeah, I love you.
Ako sarap, nagtigil isa pa.
Ano
Wow, sarap. Ganito na lang. Grabe naman kayo.
Parang alam mo, lumalabas dito, parang ikaw si Vice, ako si Anne.
Sa totoo lang.
Buti tayo ni Dorothy Panchito.
Alam niyo, kaya ako tinanggap tong show na to. Dahil meron akong chance na hawakan ang kamay niya. Legal na legal.
Really naughty this boy. Come here. Eto, may tatanong ako sa'yo. I never really asked you this before the concert. Sa dami ng beses.
Okay.
I'm talking to you. Don't be rude. Come here.
Alam mo, marami pa tayong kakantahin ng mga kanta. I would like, meron ba bang bakanting upuan dyan? Dahil gusto ko umupo dyan, gusto ko siyang panoorin. Seriously, I want to sit down and say, I want to watch her watch.
You know what? Ito ang solution yan.
Mukhang walang bakante
doon. Kami ni Nico, pupuntahan kita. Ayan. Hindi, tatanungin ko ba yung question ko? Hindi na.
Wag na, kumanta ka na lang.
Ayaw mo.
Kantahin mo na lang kami.
Sente ka na naman. Siyempre, okay, wag na lang. Kasi tatanong ko sa kanya, how did you feel when we separated? Ayan. Bye. Anyway, I'm going to do this with you. Please do not go away again. I will get your sweldo talaga. Yung numbers, I'm singing eh.
I am like your fans. Gusto namin naririnig kang kumakanta.
Don't feel like that. This is their heart. It's you and me. Do not leave me alone.
Ulat nga na sabi ni Myla Gumila, nung nag-umpisa ako sa showbiz, nasa showbiz na ako, ikaw, pinanonood kita. At gandang-ganda ako sa boses mo. Kaya gusto ko marinig yung boses mo just like that. Tama? Yeah!
Okay, Nico, let's go. Don't go away. You stay there.
You know, I will say goodbye, but I shall return. Para si MacArthur lang. Okay? Michelle, right? But to us, it's dirty white, right?
Because he wanted
right?
He wanted to become a pilot after he wanted to become a dentist. Kung nag-dentista ka at nag-piloto ka, Diyos ko, mas marami anak mo. Pero hindi na kaya mag-piloto kasi hindi pwede colorblind. So, I knew that he had to see real colors now. The point is, how do you know when red is red or pink is pink when you've never really seen the real colors, diba? Now we don't know the colors you're
You can relate to that. One thing is for sure, when you wear this, you see a lot of colors. Right? When you see your wife, you see a very colorful life.
Pero pag ako sinasabi, it's okay when you talk to the gentleman, but when you talk to me like that, parang nakikita mo sa akin Teletubbies. Kaya tayo Avengers.
Because yung colors, di ba?
Colors.
Hindi, pero...
Hindi na ako mukhang Barbie ngayon. Parang pag nagpa-purple, mahirap na eh.
That's purple.
Baka pagkamalan akong dinosaur. Mahirap eh. Ngayon pwede na ako mag-violet.
Hindi, pero sa totoo lang, kaya ko sinuot ito. Because I would like to see you clearly.
Stop it.
Stop mo ba ako?
Kanina ka. Ang hilig mag-fish niyan tonight. Tanong lang tanong, you love me pa. Ayan.
Okay guys, ganito na lang,
Tanong
ganito
lang
lang.
tanong.
Ganito lang. Kanina pa sinasabi na I wanted to watch her sing, right? So we have a number of movies that we did. She also did a lot of movies that she did. And of course, she's a singer. Who would like to watch her sing all our movies? All our funny things, Panoorin po natin,
I
okay?
think they will know. But you know, actually, it's your part. Look at the guy.
Hindi, mas maganda kung ikaw muna.
Ano ba nangyayari sa'yo?
Siya
Are you
lang.
alright?
It's a glasses.
Are you in love?
What's
wrong with you? You're not yourself naman. Kung nasa sarili ito ngayon, anong nangyari sa'yo? Hindi lang tayo nakita ng 10 days.
Alam mo,
Laki na pinagbago mo.
Yun ang sinasabi ko, lahat ng gagawin ko ngayong gabi, gagawin ko para sa'yo. Okay.
Nanliligaw ka ba?
Mula nung
Makaalis na muna. Dito muna ako kumanta ka dyan.
Magbihis ka muna para paglabas mo dito, makikita kita iba na.
Ibang kulay na naman.
Yan.
You will guess the color, okay? Excuse me, I'll be back.
Bye-bye!
Ladies and gentlemen, Gabby Concepcion. He crushed me. Because I'm a singer. Diyos ko, 80s na 80s ka. Ako nasa 2024. Sabrina Carpenter na yung kinakita. Too bad your ex didn't do it for you. Walked in and dream came true for you.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Okay.
andito ngayon ang aking substitute. Pagbibihis muna ako dahil napagod ako eh. Hindi muna ako ng tubig. Para kumanta ka naman, we'd like to hear your voice. You have a golden voice. Yung bata pa lang ako pinanonood na.
Bakit inuulit-ulit mo yan?
Ladies and gentlemen,
Mas maganda ka sa akin.
Sharon!
Kuneta!
Yes!
Seriously, are you okay? We did so many movies before we got married, and then we did a few more after we separated. We did 2 when we were married, 2 or 3, and a lot of those theme songs from those movies, I haven't really had the chance to sing too often, so I'd like to do them for you tonight. Please sing along if you remember them. Okay, ang haba, no?
Ang galing-galing mo kumanta talaga. Grabe.
Thank you. Maguloy ko na mo yun, kasi kasama mo ako.
Alam mo, talagang bagay kami, no? Picture mo, picture.
Tapos hihingin po niya sa inyo.
Ayan.
Picture naman, itag niyo ako.
Itag niyo ako, Okay. Alright. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Talaga namang ito'y malaking karangalan na nagkasama-sama tayong lahat.
That's
Pinagbigyan
true.
natin ang ating mga dear heart audience.
Tsaka
Because-
pinagbigyan nila tayo nang makita tayo ulit na magkasama. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Kayo talaga magpupuan na. Kiss talaga.
Marami ang nagtatanong po. Naku, maraming salamat at pinagbigyan nyo kami. At sa totoo lang, maraming salamat sa inyo at pinagbigyan nyo kami.
Opo. Salamat po na marami. To all of you who grew up with us, you know what we have with our audience that I don't think many other magka-love teams have? We share a history with them, right? Do you remember how you felt when you watched Dear Heart? Do you remember how you felt when we got married? Sa stage lang